So 4 stocks, they are all big winners over the last 2 months. Of course, there are a lot more stocks big winner, but I want to show you a similarity between these 4 stocks, TASCO and KPOWER. Okay, TASCO and KPOWER. So these 4 stocks, we're going to talk about these 4 stocks. Now, all of them have a common characteristic. Okay, and I'm not even talking about stock chart. I know when you open a chart, everybody is very excited and want to look at, wow, what is the setup, what is the signal that this trainer is going to talk about. But that is not my focus yet. Okay, to understand what stock to buy, now every investor, right, will answer 3 questions every day. Number 1, what stock to buy, when to buy the stock, and when to sell the stock. So the first question we must tackle first, what stock to buy. So these 4 stocks, okay, if you have missed only one of them, okay, they must understand why you miss it so that next time you will not miss this kind of company. So the first of all, the thing that is common between these 4 stocks is the earnings. Okay, the fundamentals, which is in my right hand side. So this is my software. You can see the center is about charting. The left hand side is the signal. These are the signal trend master V3 and so on, and also the live alerts over here. Okay, live alerts triggered during the market hour. So this is a signal chart FA. So when you see a stock, I want to know the FA, the fundamental, what is the stock doing? So for example, JFTECH, okay, it is in the technology sector. Industry is semiconductor. So everybody know that semiconductor is in play right now, isn't it? Okay, so this is a health check. Now, health check is based on the annual report. So based on annual report, you can see that JFTECH is a very strong and good company. Okay, it reminds me of Franken. If you are an old farts like me, you will know Franken. See, the FA is also fantastic. Okay, so let me come back to JFTECH first. Okay, JFTECH, right, let's go. JFTECH, okay, fundamental is solid. You can see the operation, liquidity, debt, profitability, financial health check, all green color, only one orange, average, but generally it's a good company. Now, if you are new to the stock market and you do not know what other stocks falls in the same sector and you wish to know, there's a link here. Click here for all stocks. Ta-da! All the semiconductor stock is presented right in front of you, my friends. Okay, so no excuse for missing them. Okay, no excuse for missing. These are all the technology sector, and these are the semiconductor industry. This is the communication, networking, computer hardware, and so on. Okay, so this is a very useful link for you to get some ideas. That, for example, you saw JFTECH, you like, okay, but you find the price too high. So you want to find the brother and sister in which other ones are laggard that you want to buy. This link will be very, very useful. Okay, for example, JFTECH too high, go Getronic lor. Correct or not? Getronic also at the high, then you just go through the list and see which one is at the low. DNO also pulled back recently, but it's still at the high, right? So you can use this list to find the next stock. Let me see any other stock that I can show you right here in the list. Bola, actually all of them quite high now. So let's talk about JFTECH, back to JFTECH. Okay, so JFTECH earnings. Now this is the 3 types of financial report that you need to know. Annual reports, trailing 12 months, and also quarterly earnings. Okay, so let's talk about annual. Annual is like once a year they update. So if you're looking at annual report, for example, 2020 report. Okay, 2020 report not out yet. Let's talk about 2019. So 2019 report is reporting 2019 earnings, you know. So if you're in 2020, 2021, anything negative happen to the industry or to this stock, it will not be reflected in the annual numbers. You follow me? This is one whole year, so it is very slow. So generally, I don't like to see this. TTM is slightly better because TTM is rolling 4 quarters. Rolling 4 quarters means the latest 4 quarters of earnings. So if the recent quarters has any tongkwa tofu, that means the earnings start to dip, okay, lost key customer, revenue drop, you can immediately see the effect in the graphs over here. Also, this is a trailing 12 months, the last 4 quarters. Now, if you go to the quarterly, quarterly is the most sensitive because it is the latest quarterly earnings add together one by one. So if anything happen to that quarter, it will immediately dip and show you. Okay, so it is more volatile also for the quarterly. So you want to see like 4 rolling quarters, TTM will be very nice. So I have a very simple way to explain this. Quarter is fastest. Okay, TTM is fast. Annual is useless. Okay, you got it? Fastest, fast, useless. So usually TTM and quarter, you will get a sense of the business already. So this is JFTECH. You can see the trailing 12 month, both the earnings and the income is growing. Okay, growing. And the quarterly is also going higher. Right, so this is JFTECH. Now let me show you on SCIB. You will see that all of them look the same in terms of their earnings. Now they are in different sector, different industry, but we're talking about company. Now look guys, especially those of you who are new, when you invest in the stock market, every stock is a listed business, raising funds from the public in a legal framework, okay, overseen by the Securities Commission. So this is a very legit way for a company to raise cash, okay, raise funds to expand their business. So every one of them are listed business earning real money, business revenue, business profit. Okay, so therefore you do not want to just randomly trade a stock without knowing what does the company do, what is the product, what's the service, which industry is it in. Okay, and worst of all, if you don't even know that whether this company is profitable or not, right? You are basically walking into a Cambodia landmine, a landfill, a minefield. So you're just trying your luck. You walk into the land and then just hoping that one day you don't step into a bomb. Okay, so that the bomb can be like London Biscuit lah, Cicera, all those are PN17 kind of company, right? So if you want to protect yourself against buying into loss-making company, this is the first thing you must check. At least come here and check the earnings. So you can see SCIB TTM earnings, it look exactly like our dear friend JFTECH, isn't it? Okay, and then you can see TASCO as well. Okay, different industry, different sector. Can you see? And then you can take a look at the TTM, the company's earnings. Can you see the earnings? It's all profitable and all trending up. Trending up means what? Trending up means that this company is making more and more money. As the company make more and more money, logically speaking, the share price should go up. So can you imagine when you buy a share price, right? If the earnings continue to grow, you expect the share price to go up or down? Up, isn't it? Therefore, it is much more easier for you to trade a company that is profitable and the share price is going up because the earnings prospect is good. Okay, now the next one is called KPOWER. Also, this is tonight's topic. Now, KPOWER, okay, if you have missed a bulk of the move, don't worry, right? Because why? You take a look at the earnings. The earnings is still growing. Can you see? The earnings is very strong and is still growing. Therefore, these four company has this same characteristic in terms of the earnings. Another thing about these four stock that I haven't complete the story is if you go to JFTECH, okay, can you see it gives a bonus warrant of 3-for-1. JFTECH give a bonus warrant of 3-for-1, and you see SCIB. Okay, this is very important information. I hope you pay attention to this. SCIB give a bonus shares of 3-for-1. Okay, 3-for-1. Okay, and then it further gives a free warrants of 1-for-2. Okay, 1-for-2. And then you have got TASCO. TASCO going for stock split. Okay, going for stock split. Okay, it is not released yet, but TASCO is going for stock split. 4-for-1. That means for every one TASCO share, you get 4. 4. 3-for-1. Sorry, 3 for. Wait. Okay, this kind of thing better be correct. Okay, better be correct. We cannot anyhow say. Okay. It's not out yet. Let me see whether is it inside here or not in the quarterly report. No, I don't think it will be in the quarterly report. Okay, let me dig out. Okay, I'm very serious in what I do, guys. So once I touch upon TASCO, I say it has stock split. I want to show you the evidence that it has stock split. Okay, so I don't want to just go through the motion and tell you, oh, the stock split and then that's it. So for every 1 share, you will get 4 share. Okay, for TASCO, for every 1 share, you will get 4 share. So that will be a stock split happening soon. So it is not done yet, so therefore we do not have the adjustment bell at the below. So TASCO, again, following the brother SCIB and JFTECH, give a bonus share, give stock split. And the other one is called KPOWER. Okay, KPOWER also got a lot of goodies. Okay, take a look at this. Bonus share 1 for 3, stock split 1 into 4. Okay, and I remember they give for warrants also. Okay, so only these two. So which is stock split 1 into 4, and then it gives a bonus share of 1 for 3. Right. So all these 4 companies are giving and rewarding shareholders with more shares, free shares, and also free warrants, stock split. Okay. Now, if you would like to enjoy this kind of goodies, okay, maybe I'll just ask by a show of hands. By a show of likes. How many of you would like to receive these bonuses, these warrants, free warrants, this stock split happening to your stock? Fire the like button, hit the like button to show me that you want to receive this kind of bonuses from the stocks that you own in your portfolio. Okay, now there's a reason why these companies are giving. Okay, so that will give you another reason why you should focus on this kind of good earnings company. Okay, now before that, and let me show you one more stock, EcoVest. Okay, EcoVest, I was at the receiving end 2017, quite long ago. 2017. It also reward the shareholder when it was doing well. Take a look at the share price, guys. Can you take a look at share price? Isn't EcoVest in 2017? 2017, what KPOWER is, what TASCO is, what JFTECH is. Okay, so do not think that it is because January is bullish. January is bullish, correct. So during this bullish month, all the more it should move up, guys. All the more it should move up. If such a bullish environment, the stock don't move up, it is a lousy stock. Period. It's a lousy stock. Okay, so 2017 EcoVest, it also give bonus, guys. It also give bonus. Then share split 2 into 5. Can you see? Share split. So what kind of company can give this kind of performance? It is those companies that are making money. Okay, it is those companies that are making money, and that reinforces why we should always go for companies that are making good profits. Okay, profitable company, earnings growth is sustained. Only this kind of company will give you goodies. You follow me? You understand? Okay, you understand? If you understand, comment understand. I understand too many. Comment okay lah. Comment okay will do. 2 alphabet will do. Comment okay. Okay? So this gives you another reason. 2 reasons now. Number 1, if the earnings growth is there for the company, the share price usually will go up. Number 2, if you want to receive goodies from the company like bonus shares, free warrants and whatnot, this company will also give you. Now, that is why I try to avoid money losing company.
Please subscribe.